Hey everyone, hope you guys doing good. I'm just going to test if everything is fine. Start the live. Let's go. Alright, preparing the host to no. Why it always happens? Why does that happen? Because I have to be quickly close this. 1 second, let me see if I can do that. Okay. Alright, let me just share the link. Awesome, working now. Alright, just give me a second guys. I'll share the link and I'll be with you in a second. Alright, if you're watching the replay, just skip it a few minutes. That should be fine. You just know by skipping a little bit. Alright, live there. All good, all good. Alright, we have a lot of things to discuss today. A lot of things are going on. Alright, awesome. Live. Alright, I'm live. There we go. Alright, that's sorted. Right here. I mean, whoever wants to join, so they can join. I can't do live directly there, but yeah. Interesting stuff's going on. I'm really interested in Bitcoin right now. This is what I've been waiting for last 2 days. Even yesterday I didn't do anything. I was just waiting for this break that's happening right now. That break is very interesting. I don't want to no, I don't want to show this. That's cool. Welcome guys. Hey Manuel. Hey guys. Let me know if everything is fine with you guys there. I'll just close this. What? Why is it showing like that? Oh, okay. Makes sense. S&P 500 is doing dirty games right now. It tried to hold so much right here. This was a demand zone on daily. It couldn't. This is the next one, which I have eyes on, and I think we can have a bounce from this level because this is where the major trend line is. If S&P bounces, we might see Bitcoin bouncing as well, and this is a good demand zone in my opinion, because this is the demand zone that caused all this big move up here. So the move is sharp down here. I mean, look at the momentum. We had red, just very so small green candles trying to hold that zone, and then boom, we start crashing. This is not a good sign. And I'll tell you something what's going on in the UK. I've got a message saying like a lot of things increasing very quickly. All the companies increasing because of high inflation. They're increasing their rates a lot higher, which is not good. Okay, let's see what this data is saying. We have a lot more longs are opening, shorts are opening at the same time because it's causing, and longs are slightly closing, not much. So we have liquidations going on there. Let me just refresh that. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing, because it's just obvious. A lot of people are very bullish, but you need to understand one thing, guys. What the heck? You need to understand one thing here. We had one very strong candle, but it was so quick. We had no proper base build up. Okay, you might see a lot of junk on my chart. This is just to show what is going on. I will just go through the chart I posted earlier, so we have an idea what is going on. Camille, yes. Look, there's many levels we can play on Bitcoin still while it goes down, right? The chart I was sharing earlier is this, because I was looking for this clear change. It never gave that change. It's kept on dropping. If you see the next chart right up here I posted, it kept on dropping. It never gave me a clear sign, okay, I want to go up. And then from here market kept on ranging all day, right here. From here it kept on ranging, and now it's breaking down. The bigger time frame chart which I posted, this one, all right, I posted this, spotted this. I'll just update this again on so everyone can see it. One second, I didn't want you to take that off. You know, that chart that I posted earlier, I'll just update on that. It was, let me go down, right here. So this was the chart. Even before that, I posted before that. Look at this. Where is it? Right here. So this is where I've indicated we could see that, and it is happening, guys. It is happening. I'm just going to quickly retweet that. Let me see. I've been sharing on daily basis. The long ratio I'm talking about is right up here. You can see what a lot of longs open right here, 23,400. A lot of longs. Look at this. It's still opening right now. Some is heavily opening longs at this level. Did it take that low? Oh, I'm waiting for this low to be taken though. This low right here. I'm waiting for this low to be taken. That's the level I'm watching. I'll set alert right here. It's very close to that. Market try to open this. I think there's a lot of people that, so you need to understand what's happening here. All these lows had so much liquidity here. Alright, liquidity was built up right here in these areas. Everyone that had longs open, they had stop losses down here, or those who were shorting this, like this gave perfect retest and then boom, it was a very decent entry, right? Break of this was an extra confirmation. You know, anyone that would have wanted to take a short this was one second, what is going on right here? This was a perfect break short because it gives you confirmation, another lower low on 15 minutes time frame. All right, I was talking about long ratio, and longs are still increasing here. I mean, interest, the open interest is increasing, longs are increasing, shorts are decreasing, and because we're looking at a very small picture. If we zoom out, where the ratio is spiking right now. Bulls are trying their best to hold these demand zones right now, but a lot of shorts are trapping here. Look at these shorts that are opening here right now, but after one drop you don't want to catch a falling knife, so there's a lot of time that you can see this kind of move coming. Okay, the move comes from here and then goes like that, and quick sky. I used to get trapped a lot on this one. I used to get a lot of stop hunts. It is breaking the low. I think I had an alert on the other exchange. Yeah, you see you're getting spike as soon as you hit my alert on this exchange on Coinbase. I want to see if the lows, yeah, lows been taken on Coinbase right here. The low has been taken, that's why I hit my trigger right here. I was waiting for this to happen. a lot of volume, and we have a lot of shorts opening right here, a lot of shorts, but I still need to see the open interest is going up, means a lot of longs being open at this price as well. There's a lot of support. If you see 2000 BTC, this is a Binance future only, 2000 BTC buy order, 2000 BTC buy order in like $50 difference. So there's a 4000 BTC buy order around this area. So you gotta keep an eye. A lot of bulls are opening, and I want to see market fulfilling this order. There's more orders. Let's see. I'm just going to post it and see what happens. And what happened with Binance yesterday that caused more drops is because the things were what I was gonna say. A lot of people were forced to close their position. Binance said there was a lot of volume exchanging yesterday, and that gave a chance for people that wanted to fill their bag with the short positions, and which is right now happening. Probably it could be shorts getting closed as well. That could be the reason that we have this happening, because of people looking at this buy order. They might be closing their shorts right now. We're still dropping and dropping because S&P dropping. I'm really interested to see S&P right here. S&P has this low as well, which is another very interesting area right now, this low. A lot of stop losses below this week as well. So if there's a small gap here, I think if the market comes, it's already taken the low as well. So we have a good confluence when it comes to BTC and S&P 500. We have market testing the fair value gap, and I really like this zone to start adding some alts. I want to play a bounce which could come anytime now. I'm going to go lower time frame and watch. Right now it's so much bearish right now because bulls try to hold it. They cannot hold it. This is what is giving me a sign of do I really want to start getting it right now. Hello guys, thanks for coming and watching. Right, I got it. I haven't, Sandeep, I don't know about airdrops. I don't follow airdrops, sorry man. You can ask in the group if you want to. I am expecting a leg up now. This is why I want to buy, because I do think a lot of people are trapping here, and a lot more stop losses sitting up there as well. So we need to take that liquidity before we can go further down. If you want to see market going down a lot, you need to see market taking that liquidity sitting above here. All right, it won't go down without that. All right, we have very sharp 4-hour candle after multiple hours of warning. We have very clean area here, very clean area, and market decides to drop, but I doubt it. Depends. 4-hour just closed, 4-hour candle, and I want to see what it does now. It faked out on Binance as well. I'm not so sure what I want to do. I want to see some kind of more bears dropping, and I'm gonna go on 5 minutes. I want to see what happens on 5 minutes. Let me see 25. I want to see these orders get filled. They are getting filled, and there's only 1k right here, 600 right here. More and more shots are getting open right here, but again we have a lot of shorts closing as well. Like short ratio is a lot lower than long ratio. I need to add long versus short as well, gives you a better idea. Yeah, a lot more longs ratio is increasing than short, so people might still get punished. As soon as we see a small spike up, if you see here, as soon as we see moves slightly going up, there's a lot more longs coming in this. You see 1700 BTC, 2000 BTC. Right now long versus shorts are fighting heavily with each other right now. I want to see what happens. I want to give market a little bit more time to see what is going on here. She's tripping a little bit more. I want to see strong increase. S&P 500 already showing some signs. A lot of volume spiked in this fake out, which I mentioned earlier, right? This fake out, a lot of volume increasing right here on this one, because this was very good demand zone. You need to understand how market pushed from here so sharply. Anyone that was buying here, they had long-term view and having stop loss. Like if they had haven't closed their position yet, they have stop loss down here, they would be taken out sharply. I'll see what happens, but there's a chance we can bounce from here. Drop. I don't know what I was writing here. It's very high, so I'm going to punish longs. That's why you see a sharp drop. You know, I need proper focus to write something and make sure everyone understands it. I just don't care about spellings. I just write it, and then that's why you see a sharp drop causing long liquidation. You know, if the trap already happened, which was 25,000 fake out, we could see even lower. Market does not have to go up like the way I mentioned. It needs to go up from here, take more liquidity, and then drop further faster. It doesn't have to do that, but the goal is market needs more liquidity. It could just go from here up high to 30, or it could do this. Like these different scenarios, market does what it wants to do. It doesn't mean it's gonna follow exact step that I mentioned. I can't write more. I'll just leave it as this is. It's something everyone was bullish. I don't want to be with everyone. It's the formula I have. I've been buying in December, and every time the market was going down, it's just, oh shit, look at the longs getting destroyed right now. People that were opening longs, they're getting destroyed because a lot of order that was here 2000 BT, so they got filled, and now we have more order at 23,000. They are taking off. There was more order here. They are already taking up their orders. This area is very like much of key area in my opinion. 22. Oh my god, heavy shorts opening right now, heavily. A lot of people shorting right now, and we could see them getting, oh, this is very juicy candle. I really like it. You know, I really want to buy some stuff here, because when you see a sharp candle coming like that with a huge volume, if this candle recovers, holds, doesn't break this low, we set. I've seen many times these kind of candle being the bottom, because on weekly it still looks good bullish, but we can come a bit lower, a few $100 lower. So I'm taking a bet. I'm going to add some positions right now. I don't know what exactly, but you just have to be bear with me, do nothing, because it's me that I'm doing it. I'm happy to lose. You don't want to lose, so just stay away. All right, I don't know how low the market can go. I'm keeping eye on S&P. It's done nothing. S&P looks still fine, holding strong. I want to add some Ethereum, because why not? Oh, what? No, I have logged in. Guys, I'm just gonna get quiet now, right now, so you don't, if you don't hear me talking, I'm just busy doing some stuff. Yeah. What the heck? Alright. Oh, as I was looking, oh my god. Anything that looks good to me, I'll start adding. I'm adding small positions for now because I want to see if we get further drops, I'll add more. We could see further moves, guys. I'm telling you again, we could see further moves down. So only add if you want to add, if you're feeling good about it. Only add the strong coins, don't add everything else. Finished. I don't know, man. I want to see these lows be taken on this coin. It's been holding well so far, but I don't know. No. Rose, nice. I'm just looking at chart, doesn't mean I'm adding everything, guys. Looking at chart means nothing. I can't look at your comments, that's the problem right now. Because I have so much open right now, which I cannot look at your comments right now. Veracity, I need to add that shit in my mobile. I can't read anyone's comment, guys, just so you know, because I have so many tabs. I'm busy right now. I want to add some stuff. I'm running a giveaway on Veracity as well, so I need to buy more cheaper so I can give away as well, you know. Right, that's one thing. Soul gave a good pullback. I want to see what daily looks like, because end of the day, yeah, sitting at you know, not everything looks juicy. Avalanche, very sharp pullback, but again, these lower high, I'm not fan of these lower high, you know. They might give a small pullback. I mean, I can always keep what looks good. AVEX is an amazing project anyway, so I've sold everything above, right up here, before the drop started. Alright, so for me, it's all good. I posted on Twitter, group, everywhere. Alright, sand, very interesting, but no, I don't like it. Shaking in the sun. I don't know. Let me see the coins that were bounced. Oh my god, Anchor is holding so well. I'm surprised. Did it take the loss? It did. It did take the loss. I like these kind of charts that take the loss of these lows being taken. That's a juicy setup right there. I don't know what this is doing. It is bouncing, but it's coming back. That's a good thing. It's giving me a chance to add some stuff. Alright, let me just quickly have a look at comment. What you guys think? Matic looks. Yeah, I need to add Matic. They have news. Let me see what Matics look like. Zil is holding so well, but is shit. Zil has been holding amazingly good. Zil could reverse well. No, I wanna risk on Zil. See how it goes, because he's been holding so well. In Lena as well, it gave an amazing bounce. I don't know, man. I'm confused about Lena. It is right here on this. anything that pumped a lot, I'm not sure about them, you know. I have no idea why Lena pumped so much. It could slowly bleed as well. You know, that's the thing with these tokens. They can slowly bleed. No, I don't like that. I need to see Magic RNDR. Near, I don't like it. Even though it's sitting bottom of the zone. But it's in the range. I need a clear charts, like they're doing so well. No. APT, fuck that. Honestly, I'm not sure about this. If this would have been right here, taking these lows, I would be interested in IMX. Right at this price, I'm not so sure if I'm interested in this. Mina done nothing at all. Apex, nah. Flux, no. RNDR, that could bounce because I made bunch of money with RNDR previous bounces. It gave very good bounces because it didn't give big pullback, you know. I wish it had, but it did not give big pullback. The market is definitely getting exhausted, so I am not going all in. I'm just adding my starting amounts. Depending if the coin looks good, I add a little bit extra. That's all. I'm not going crazy over the market, guys. Just so you know, I'm not getting crazy over it. I like PHP chart. You see, BTC is still just struggling right there. I like this one because it never broke anything. HFT, oh yes, this took the loss. That could be something. I think this had news, but again, after the news, it gave a very deep pullback. A lot of them, I'll just do a bounce play, you know. A lot of the coins here, I'll just do bounce play. Some I might hold a bit longer and things like that. I think this oh man, if this would have taken the low of the other day, that would be even better. It took liquidity above, it needs to take some liquidity below as well. You see this sharp move here that got rejected. A lot of selling happened in there. I want to buy only juicy coins. That's all. That look bullish. The chart looks nice. Otherwise, I'm not interested. Okay. No. I don't know. It was so strong yesterday. No. I'm not sure. I think it needs to take the lows. It took this low, not this one. Shoot. I like DYDX, but really, I'll add very small amount of it. Then I can DCA into that if it does well. Yep, market is bouncing slightly. Because the way I trade is far different than what most guys do. So you don't have to follow what I do. You need to understand that. My way is so different, and my money in alts is just small comparing to what I have in BTC and NFT Ethereum. So it does not affect me. I like it. I like how Magic. Oh, I need to get OP. Shit. OP is in the hype as well. It will bounce quick. I think Magic needs more, because long ways up, it needs more drop. It won't pump because a lot of people stuck up there. I need to see OP. No shit. Did I miss OP drop? Yeah, fuck. 2.9. No. No, that sucks to miss OP drop. Hook. Fuck you. I don't know, buy something that does not look good. No. Just sitting at the lowest. Do I want to buy this? I could just do this, and from here run. Rune haven't had any moves yet. RSR. I like RSR. At the same time, it faked out the highs. I don't like that shit. And it took the high low as well. Damn, how's 4 hour looks like? It's very tricky. RSI is slow. It moves once and then just doesn't do shit. Let's see what it does. Wet. It's been moving crazy, and then suddenly, oh yeah, it is a good zone. It took the lows, and if it holds up close above it, close above this high, that would be a good one. I'll start a small position in it, but I will increase if it bounces well, because I've sold this above around 31, so I'm still able to buy 10% cheaper. This coin did move so well, but it's disappointing. Look what it did here. Boom, boom. Keeps on doing that shit. I don't want to buy something that does that. It's disappointing. Look at LDO shit. Like, annoying. I don't want to buy unless it breaks the highs. FTM. Lower high. I don't like this kind of behavior, but I will give it a go, because FTM I was big on. Like, it was my biggest bag. It made me very good gains, very good gains. So a lot of volume coming here at these prices. This looks fine. I had a big move up, pull back. It is tested this, took the lows. I'm still expecting a bit more down move in BTC, to be honest. You don't have to rush into things. You still have more than enough time to get in the market. So that's why I'm just adding small positions and see how it goes. If it doesn't go well, I'll just cut it. You know, simple as that. Alright, just we have a lot of shorts opening and then shorts stop, kind of. Yeah. Now longs are taking over slightly. We'll see what happens. You see this bounce in S&P. If it goes up here, if it tries to recover, that would be amazing. I want to see what and DXY is at supply zone here, and that's one other thing, guys. DXY is looking very bullish. It's in the supply zone. It could slightly go up, which will bring a little bit down to BTC, and if it gets pulled back, that will give a bounce of 10-15% in alts. This is what I'm after. I'm not after a heavy amount. Look at this stuff. Algo just dropping, but a little bit more drop into this zone would be nice. Right here, that would be nice. Do I want to wait? It's just 4-5%. I will add something, but I will wait for this to drop in this. Alright. It did quite a bit, but it dipped in the zone, in the demand zone. But again, it's a big zone, so you gotta be careful. Hedge bar, guys. After I'm finished, I need some more coins to look into. That looks good. That been in bullish trend, and they're giving good pullback. I need those kind of tokens. Ocean, that shit moved so well earlier, and then missed up. This thing bounced very well. But it's getting exhausted, to be honest. It's been last candle of these tokens look, oh my god, what happened with ADA? Strong move up, takes a liquidity above here, and then shits itself. I don't know, man. It is right at another demand zone, because it broke the highs. That's a technically high, which might give me a bounce, a small 5% so play. But I don't have much faith on when it comes to ADA. I don't like it. It's full of back holders. Why this shit is going against the market? AI tokens are now dropping. Because I was looking at, oh shit. Oh no. I need to look at Phil. Phil been doing amazing. And when you have Phil, I should have looked this before anything else. I like Phil, but there's another zone that I have eyes on down here. Alright. But there's a chance. As long as Phil holding this zone, alright, even if slightly breaks it, we could see a bounce, which is 10% bounce, 10-15%, or you could go take this liquidity up here, go test this supply zone up here, and then from here go, because APT did the same thing, and AGIX did the same thing. So remember, I could see this kind of moves. Alright. Oh wait, there's another coin, Blur. That thing dipped a lot. Let me see if there's any zone. Oh yes, it took all these lows. You know, I like these kind of setups. I don't have much funds because I've used a lot in my is Blur. I want to add a little bit position on Blur, because when I see a hyped coin that gives a first panic bounce drop, that's a good one to get into. I've just used all I had in KuCoin on Blur. I can take risk because there's a big drop. So even if it gives a bounce to $1, that's still a 15% for me. So I'm alright. I will just set a alright. It's KuCoin. Oh, it's a wrong pair. I'm going to set a alert right here. It goes to around $1. I want to know, because this area right here is very tricky. QNT, I don't know about it. BTC is still struggling at 23,000, but I think it needs to flash 23,000. Gives it a little bit more dip. QNT looks fine, high, low, I don't know. I need to look this more in depth. Alright, this could be something interesting. Why I say that? Because we had a big low. Whoever was stuck, this is where I've sold at the first bounce. Up here $16. And then from here it keeps on going down, but not sharply. We don't have a huge selling going on. but if it would have taken the lows of this, that would be even better. It did not. I'll just delete this old stuff. You see, it took liquidity above here, faked out these highs, and then traps people. I want to see what happened. I mean, still holding bullish though. End of the day, you need to understand, it never broke any structure, right? So it's still technically bullish, but not a strong one. It doesn't have any momentum right now. But we can look deep into that when it comes to. It took this low though, this high low. Okay. We have Link, which moved well. Done. It could do well still though, because it broke this range. There's a bigger range that needs to break though. We have it move up. So very nice consolidation here, which broke, retested. Because of how the market dropped today, it dropped, but it was fine without it. And retesting this demand zone. I mean, Link is slow. I don't want to buy slow coins, but again, if you want to buy and hold something, Link is good. Link is good one, but I'm not so interested in that. Yeah, I sold this around $4 plus, around here. It's giving pullback. UTK, I don't have that. This gives to bounce to 13 cents. This is something they used to say, PayPal of crypto. MDK, nothing. Dusk. Oh, Dusk. But again, this, if something is super volatile, you wanna be careful. Weekly looks crazy on Dusk. Anchor. This is bouncing so. You see, I don't know. Is there any AI news? Because if that bounce, AGX is gonna bounce as well. Oh shit! I missed this one. But the thing is, all the buyers are tired already of this. These kind of token, because that already moved, now it's gonna consolidate and then move up. These are good to hold on, but not for a bounce play. I think some of them can move good in bounce play, but not all. Guys, I need names of strong coins that moved well. Best example is Phil in front of you. Like Phil, something that moved super well, which I was indicating could do that. It went up here, took the liquidity, and then it dropped very so nicely, went up. That was a very good bounce. I didn't play it because I missed it. I honestly don't know. This looks fine, but this shit moves so bad. One more thing, there's a coin fix. FIS SDT. This had something going on, if I'm not wrong, and this is a good pullback he gave. I need to see a list that my partner shared. Oh no, 21K is nightmare. Yeah, no, it won't just go 21k. Alright, we have a very nice hold going on. We have another big order of sale order right here, 23,200. Market is picking up, like buys are coming in right here. You see a lot more buyers than sellers, so we have a lot of selling happening here, and then the buyers are holding it. If the buyers can hold it, that would be juicy, guys, juicy. Fix ACH. Let me see if I've left. Oh yeah, I need to buy fresh coins. Look at this. Oh, I'm lucky me that I have sold up here. I sold up here, man. This shit started moving well, but it gave a lot of coins doing that, faking out. Okay, one definitely looks good. Took the lows up here, still in the zone. It's a bet that I would take personally. Because I've made a lot of money in one. I was buying down here in December around these areas, and I was adding onto each breakout. I'm adding this, and I've sold all of them around 28, and then I bought again, and then I've sold up here again. So this coin have made me very decent amount of money. So that's why I'm willing to bet on it again. So it is what it is. Mana, it did so well. I was buying down here and it did very well for me, but again, Mana looks shit. All the gaming tokens very similar here. I think they need to take more liquidity, and then boom, a big, because this looks decent as well. I mean, I don't know what's cooking with these AI token. There's something going on. They are getting ready for next leg up. Okay, this is what I was talking about. GRT, that when they move, it takes time. But there's a high chance we can see a big move coming up. It's a matter of time. But I'm really looking to see this 33 getting taken out before we see that. I'll go. I don't know, man. OP, let's fucking go. Make me money. I'm going to set an alert in OP right up here, because if it breaks the high, I want to be interested in that. Oh shit, what a nice candle. I was buying down here 3.2ish roughly, but if it breaks this high, I will add more into it, because I know panic sellers are out, and those who shorted this, it's good shit right now. I'll add more at this breakout. I doubt it will turn to a fake out, because it's already market already shaken out. I don't know about LDO, man. This thing gave me a nightmare. I will look to buy this, but I need a breakup. No. Did I buy magic? I think I bought a little bit, but nah, nothing, not much room to play here, you know, unless it comes a bit further down, or this is a high low. I don't know what it is, but there's a chance we can see. But I like it because it had a big move up, then a little bit deeper pullback. It's nice, and then move up. Oh yes, matic. Such a nice zone right here. I mean, it's so close, so I'm not going to overthink it. I will add my initial position here, and then I'll add more later. That's it. Alright, I'm loaded. I'm okay with whatever I've got. I like, because there's a lot of liquidity sitting. First market took this low, okay, and then this low is being just taken, this low is taken, this low is taken. All these lows been taken just now by this wick. If we turn around and next candle to be a bullish candle, that would be very good, and I'm looking for that. I will add more probably, because then I will be looking this supply zone up here around 8.5 to $9 area to play a bounce into, because yeah, why not? Feel I have good size position. Alright guys, everything I said is not financial advice, guys. It's not. Right now, there's 2000 BTC short order right here. Market will take that and run with it, in my opinion. A lot of shorts open as well. I mean, long ratio is still increasing. Probably shorts getting closed. I don't know exactly, guys. I've said before, I'm just learning this myself. But yeah, how the ratio works. But we have a lot more shorts opening. We can see that this is giving you difference between shorts and longs. So there's more longs open around this area, 23,400. And this we have more shorts. You see this spike, this is where the most short open. This is why I started buying into the market. When I saw a biggest spike in 5 minutes shorts opening, people suddenly got crazy bearish on the market. But yeah, let's see what happens. The best coin right now is that moving so well is OP. OP is already almost going to trigger right here. You see, I did get in when it was red, but look, I should have, you know, got in before. So I will let this move. I want to see a 5 minute close. It's closing in 1.5 minutes. I need to see a tiny bit pullback to add more, because the way it's looking, it will definitely break, because it's a very clear chart, that we can see a big lag. I'm going to buy and hold this. I will add pretty much a lot more into this right now, because so far it looks good. Things change, guys. If and the stop loss, I would suggest below this wick. It should not go below it. Okay, if it's really strong, if the bulls are in control, it should not break below 2.9 anytime now. All right, we have sellers jumping in trying to short this. You see a lot of volume spike happening, but we know Coinbase is hyped it up. There's a lot of things going on when it comes to OP, so it does have quite a bit of fuel. So I think it's gonna go break up. Oh, I'm so tired right now. Salute, guys. Right, hello. Bearish. Yeah, market is bearish. I posted my OP chart. I haven't even updated that. Alright, 5 minutes, just giving a tiny bit of pullback. As soon as I see, we can see something else as well. I'm just going to copy paste this in. I'm going to see how OP long and short ratios are. OP Coinbase Pro. No, I don't want that. I want Binance. I want 5. Okay, yeah, longs are opening right now. We had this candle had a lot of shorts open right here. You can see that, and then we had longs here, shorts opening here, and then we have longs opening here as well. I mean, I don't want longs to go aggressive. That could be a bad game. I want to see a bigger picture on 1 hour. Crazy amount of longs opening, and a lot more shorts open down here in these areas. But everyone is bullish. They're gonna get punished eventually. 2.7 is the zone. That's a buy. A lot of shorts are stuck here in this area, and we have a long short ratio is still declining. A lot more shorts open than longs. If you go down, people are opening shorts here. So when he was consolidating down here, a lot, oh shit, we missed this. You know, this small red candle was a pullback, which this pullback is missed. Shit, that's cool. I was going to say, I want to go high time frame and show you. These have a lot of shorts still open. Alright, people stuck here. Some don't close, they just wait and wait and wait. You probably know it, you've been there. People just don't close their trades in loss. You see 2.4, this is a 2.4 area, and I'll show you here. Look at this. These bigger shorts are opened at 2.45, 2.5, 2.4. So a lot more people opening shorts. BTC 20 soon, bang on the OP. Okay, so let's see what happens. A lot more longs opening around this area, and then they had quick shakeout. Overall it's good, it's very good looking because it's so strong, it hardly dipped. Alright, OP bulls are holding so well compared to anything else. BTC is bouncing as well, 32.5. I really like what I've seen here. Big short squeeze, a long squeeze happened, whatever. Book number, but I need to keep an eye on BTC bigger picture as well. I want to see this is a 5 BTC. We have another short 900 shorts here. Bears are trying to protect there. Have very big short open here, 23.3. I'm good, guys. I'm looking for upside. We have another 15 minutes for hourly close. If hourly close good, I'm going to add more in OP. I want to add and play the big move, guys. I don't want to play small move. I'm just going to quickly see. Okay, guys, link here, this one, you can follow me there. Good views. I need to see something, guys. If you want to win shapes, you can just do that. I'm just running this. I'm waiting for 200 tweets. There's still only 100 something to go. It's only been 18 hours, so eventually hit. Running many of them. Oh, OP is rising. OP is rising. But I'm going to wait for this candle to close, because when the candles are sharp, they might give you pullbacks. So yeah, I've added bunch already. You see, a very so tiny pullback is happening right here. Sometimes what happens is, a lot of time when the coin does not pull back much, the trap rally happens, and then that pushes the market down. Alright, very good. Ethereum, let's put, oh shit. Shit, nice one. Let's go. I've added some Ethereums as well, because I might need for NFTs. They're sitting as supply. My original plan was we could see a pullback. Not as deep, but something, because this already took the liquidity down here. It doesn't need to do that. But yeah, let's see. Not deep pullback. I mean, something here would be nice for crypto. We can see good moves coming in crypto, in my opinion, based on that. This is the only reason that I was looking for upside. BTC is looking juicy, guys, juicy. I gave a deeper pullback than I expected. Oh yeah, it did. I didn't even notice that. There was a flash happen of 23,000. We had a fake out 23,000. Look at the volume spike that came on this red candle. Didn't I say these kind of candles are to buy? these big spikes in the bullish market, vice versa in the bearish. So this is why I was buying live with you guys. There's nothing that I've hidden there. I mean, what the fuck? Why this FET is running, man? Look at this. 43 to 46. Such a quick spike. It's back to level it was all day. I'm getting headache of talking again, not drinking water. Let's go, OP. Do some magic. Let's go, OP. We have a 1 million OP sale order, so it's a $3 million, a $3.2 million sale order right here. Whoever is trying to sell, once that filled, they're gone. 40, 100k added, 200k added. So there's a bulls and bears are fighting right here. Let's go for 5 minutes. Alright, shorts opening, longs closing. A lot more shorts opening right now in OP than shorts. Sorry, a lot more shorts opening than longs. So that's a good sign for bulls. That's a very good sign. Once we clear these two levels, 1,700,000, that would be good. We have a lot of buying happening here. Let's see what happens. If the bulls can break it or not. BTC is pulling back, so a lot of sell orders here, more than buys. Yeah, of course it's an upside, so it's gonna be obvious. 700 BTC at 22, 22, 23, 22. I'm just getting tired of talking. I haven't done live for a week now. Okay, so Dogecoin, Ethereum, how old is it? 1 hour ago. Going to be a surprise next week. New York entry. Just before getting out of bed. That's me. I check the charts before I get out of the bed. Coinbase will be soul squeezer on base. This means Coinbase will be responsible for processing every DX on the layer 2. Coinbase is subjective to the bank security. Is base token listed on Coinbase on any exchange that it's in Gate.io? It's on Bake Bar, so it's mostly in decentralized exchanges. It's only on Gate.io, right? I didn't add LRC. Oh shit. Can do this one. LRC looks far better than LDO. I like clear charts no matter what chart it is. I mean, what coin. One second. bulls are still fighting here. 1 million, another shorts build up here. There's 1 million orders are getting failed. Like this. STG, nice pullback. I don't know what this coin does. I had a big hype. OP crossed, let's go, boom it. This another one big order filled, another one to go. Let's squeeze that fuckers. Oh my god, bulls are buying, bulls are destroying that. Oh, they're fighting, they keep adding more orders. Shorts are keep adding. Another big short order right here, 7,000, 700,000, 900. So bulls are trying to buy, but bears are keep pushing it, keep pushing it. These kind of places where you see a big stuff happening. Wait, what? No, I don't want BTC. $5 million sales, 6 million longs, positively 1.8 million more than selling pressure. STG. Good thing is STG is faking out the $1 mark. That's a very good thing. I like this kind of whole number fake out, because a lot of people have stop losses below those numbers and they get shaken. It's already bounces from here. So overall daily looks clean, uptrend. You have a big pullback, a good sign, and on top of that you have a huge volume spike coming and the fake out of $1. And these are the signs that I look for when I want to buy something. These are low risk, high reward kind of trades. But let's see what happens. A lot more buyers than sellers, guys. This thing is winning. Oh, it's winning right now. Yeah, the buyers are eating those orders. Very small amount of longs order remaining. $900. 500,000. Let's go, bulls. Let's do this. Still 5 minutes only to go for next hourly candle. Let's see what happens at that time. Okay, BTC is holding up, and you see what. Alright, let's go. What BTC is looking like right now. Oh, such a crazy volume coming in BTC. Huge volume coming in. I love this kind of reaction. A lot of liquidity. Let's go. If we go back up next hourly candle strongly, this is done. This is done. Let's go. This is very tricky thing right here. I don't know if I show what we're going to do, what is going to happen, but time will tell. But we have reached kind of target. It doesn't have to go all the way down here, and that's one thing people don't understand. Market does not have to go all the way down. Our pending demand zone, it could reverse from here a little bit more, go to 22,300 area, and then from here keep going down, retest this area, then go. Is a lot of scenarios that can happen. A lot. It doesn't mean what I've said that will happen. I'm nothing. I'm very, 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 very tiny fish in the market. I'm not, yeah, I'm a small, you know, the tiny ones that a shark comes and eats them all. You probably watched a sea videos or anything, a cartoon that a shark comes, eat those small tiny fishes. Exact same thing. I'm very tiny bit of that. I make no difference in the market. Come on. Alright, one more thing you need to understand. A market going up like this strongly, it will not just do that. Unless, it really depends. It's because of the news or what happens is really. But this slow move, when it goes up, it will do this, then it will do that. It will create and show there is a momentum loss before it will just reverse. Okay, it will not just go boom because there's so many buyers that are buying it. They're buying in the strong move. So unless they are red candles here, building here, people not getting trapped, and they need to get trapped. And this is why you have rising wedges, because this shows exhaustion, that the moves are getting slower and slower, smaller and smaller, and then we have this kind of move. So this is what happens, and we are at very key zone right now. When it comes to S&P, what is S&P doing right now is trying to hold 4K, and it cannot hold that. It broke lower, now it's trying again. I don't know what's going to happen. This is why I've said earlier, this is rejecting that. This is the key. Another strong demand zone. I expect to bounce only from here. I don't know. I'm not in market right now except BTC. I will hold BTC. I'll not sell that. That's what I tell myself, and I don't do that because it's sitting in hardware wallet. It takes a while to take that, and it takes a strong reason to do that. Otherwise, I can't just click sell and sell it. I have to do the whole process. That's why you see OP is pulling back. Boom. When you see a lot of bulls rushing like that, this is what happens. Shit happens. I mean, faked out the highs as a nasty move. The shakeout was not good enough, but that's cool. I'm still up so far. Where's the high? Right here. It broke the high, faked it out, huge volume spike, but still give it time, give it a chance, see what happens. As long as it's holding 2.9, it's all good. I'm going to set an alert right here. It's all good. But yeah, I'm so tired right now. Alright, hourly closed. Let's see what happens now. BTC is pulling back on hourly close. Everything is pulling back. I mean, now, if this reverse takes this high, that is even better, because anyone that was shorting this candle right now, shorting this low break, thinking this was a fake out, liquidity has been grabbed. If it goes up here, that's a very high probability setup for longs. Okay, and then you only have very small stop loss again. If it recovers from here, strong move, you have mini area here for stop loss, super tight, or this is a little bit bigger. But yeah, let's see what happens. 30 minutes fake out, 1 hour both side fake out, so tricky. 4 hour still have not closed. That would be a good thing to see what 4 hour does in this case. BTC is slightly pulling back. OP, a lot of shorts opening. Look at the shorts right here, a lot more shorts opening. Longs almost none. So yeah, I am watching. I'm going to see a lot more shorts ordered that trying to fill here 900k, and I think market is going to fill them, and 3.1 have 700k 700,000 buy orders here. So let's see who wins here. I think market is going to fill the orders, retest around 3.1 to $3 area, and then bounce from here, because there's a lot of shorts that are waiting to close their positions right here at $3. The point of concentration is 3.05, which I think if market retest that, sorry guys, we can see a bounce. But that's cool, that's overall good. Overall everything looks fine. Took a new trend as well. BTC don't drop like they should. Wanna guess patient must. You guys are funny. Alright, let's see what BTC does. I'm just going to see some comments here. Cerex coin stuck in long position. Moment Real, just hold it on for now, because market could give one more bounce. It really depends on you guys. If you wanna cut your loss risk, I mean, just do it. Right? Don't overthink about it. Unless if you really want to wait, you could have one more bounce. I don't know how big. Alright. Neo always comes up first. What? It looks so bad. I mean, one leg up, that's bullshit. I don't like to buy this one candle up and then boom, non-stop drop. I mean, there's no buyers that are trying to buy this. This literally looks shit. I mean, there's no volume here. Literally nothing. I don't like the chart. I mean, it could go up, guys. I'm not saying it won't go up. It could just spike and to the moon and all that, but it's just not that I'm looking for, to be honest. Let's say this is where the actual range that broke, but nah. Doge back to 8 cents and moving up. Doge USDT. Fuck that, man. I don't know. Do I want to buy? DYDX. Where the fuck are you? It's at 2.16. I don't know if I want to buy Doge. Even Elon Musk couldn't bounce it. He was posting about it. It's not doing anything. Let it show some moves. Otherwise, there's no point. Neo could be good, but again, I don't want to buy. LRC, Ocean Gala. I think LRC, RLC. I don't know about RLC, USDT. But why is moving up? So much demand in this. I mean, no supply. Makes sense. Allow liquidity above, but I need to hit the block in order to try to break 25k. I think that's yeah, definitely say it. Makes sense. Makes sense why I've been saying that as well. Like, it makes so sense. We can see a further move lower into this demand zone right here, which is pending, guys. If you see so much stuff on my thingy, it just, I need to set up properly this lower time frame stuff. I need to remove this, and 1 second. There's a lot of things here. Nice, a bit clear. This is actual magic LDO. I've already mentioned magic LDO. LDO I don't like it. Magic I added a little bit. Alright, we have high balance users. Thank you, Nizzy. You're welcome, guys. You're welcome. Other than that, and the market is bouncing from a point of control. Yeah, it's called point of control. It's a very strong area. This is where the most buying and selling happens. So there's a lot of eyes in this area. So it makes even more important. Right now, I'm just writing a Binance feed post. To break 25 zone. Okay, this is to here. Oh, okay, shit. Alright. Makes sense. You see, this is what happens. A lot of longs, when they start opening at resistance, they get screwed up. Okay, this is why we get screwed up. We have some buys here because it was point of center right here, 3.05 level. Let's see what happens. because BTC is still pulling back. As soon as that stops, that's a normal one. Let's see. We could see it definitely move like this, and then a move down and then up. It happens so much. We'll know. It will take time to let us know where market wants to go. But this is a key area that you guys need to look for, which I removed because it creates a lot of mess on the chart, which is 22,800 right down here. So I'm still keeping an eye. I've said before, I've added only small positions. I will add more. I'm just waiting and seeing what happens. We have point of control right here where buyers are jumping in right now. More buying than selling happening here. Let's see how it goes. And to add 1 hour to see a better picture, because 5 minutes is not enough. We have a lot more buyers. We have sellers down there below $3. There are sellers trapped here. $3 is a key area. A lot of orders here. Let's see how the chart looks like. Yeah, bad signs. If it breaks 2.9, that's not good at all. Is that will I really want to wait for this 4 hour to decide what it wants to do. I don't want to be too quick to judge myself. This can attract so many buyers up here. So many buyers. A lot more longs were opening, now longs are getting closed. Shorts are opening, our longs. That's a good thing. Market takes time to develop, so give it time. We'll know what happens. This is a point of control where the market is trying to slightly bounce. Now financial advice, Tesla. I was buying Tesla around $110, $111, $12. So it's amazing. It's sitting around $200. Elixir will end our soul. Machines will end our soul. Computer will end our soul. AI will end our soul. How are we still here? Interesting. Where are FXTC move contracts when you need them? This can be done with option but not an easy. Computer check out now token. Who's inactive right now? I want to see what people are thinking, I want to see people are being bullish and bearish. There's nothing I can see. We're seeing the bounce coming in OP right now. A lot of shorts open on this candle right here, 2.5. This point of interest, we were looking for 3.05, and that level was the bottom. Now it's trying to spike up, but again, until this zone gets cleared, it could just bounce and then pull back like this. I doubt it because there's so much demand around OP. But again, it's a pullback you got. I mean, wait for this candle to close. If it close well, very strong, then it's a good sign. We had a lot of fight going on with OP. OP longs are getting open, shorts are slightly getting close. Let's go 15 minutes. 0 to 5. Longs are coming in at this level. You see the shorts open around 3.05 levels, more shorts, and this is the area around 2.975. A lot of shorts are stuck in this candle that faked out earlier. STG is at $1.15, so it's moving already. Let's go. Let's see what BTC is doing. Yep, exactly what I was expecting. But let's see. I need to see more development coming in BTC. I need to see a strong candle. This is look like what weekly chart looks like right now. I need a strong move coming in, holding this level, and then bouncing from it. And then from here, it will come down because there's full area until we don't clear this 24,000 up here supply zone. Market needs to prove us that it is ready to move up. If it doesn't prove us, it's nothing. Yes, we had a huge volume spike coming in this area. That's the one thing. But there's a lot of other factors that I need to see before being confident. Right now, I'm not a confident bull. Okay, I like it, but I'm not confident. That's two different things. S&P is pulling back, testing it. See what happens. S&P did give very good candle, but took the highs up here, took highs, retesting this right here. So yeah, there's a lot of things. I was on my way home. I don't see charts what people are saying. Maybe I'm not following the guys. I'm only following under 200 pupils. Like, I don't see much. I see a lot when it comes to LHL. Alright, let's see this NFT. Is this self-drawn? Person listed. Let's see how much buying's happening. There's 9 1-to-1s. One minute ago, someone is trying to sweep the floor of this. Look at the buying happening. 4 minutes ago, 4 minutes ago, 1 minute ago, 2 minutes ago. A lot of people buying this shit. 11, 12. Damn. So much buying happening in this. Someone is sweeping the floor. So you see this one, 1 2 3 1 2 3, buying like crazy. This frozen buying it crazily. You know, people take bad and they are degens, they play this. This guy got 3 of them. And the floor jumping, it was 1.0 0.017, 0.011, 0.011. A lot of buying happening. Someone the group or whoever, they're trying to accumulate this shit. They will pump it later on, probably. I mean, these kind of things are gamble. I mean, someone verified is buying as well. Let's see who that is, because these give us clue. Daniel Digital. Lama is quite famous. What is the flow right now? Yeah, he's buying. This middle finger one is nice. Right now there is an offer of 0.02, so that's a good thing. I mean, you have a offer close to the floor, you know this. There's a demand right now, but these are risky bets, man. It's interesting, but I'm not looking. 7 hours ago, so yeah, whoever bought that picked one at 0.026, picked at 0.024. I mean, people are buying it. Many retweeted, many shared, so it does create hype, short of the height. You see, a big account can pump these type of. He's my friend. He's probably not doing because he. I want to see what this is. Alpha Sharks Rarity. This is a nice one. I need to find what it is. Alpha Shark. No. Ah, yeah, this is the one. Fish open sea. Yeah, this is the one. How much the tool worth? What does it do? I have one of the tool which shows a lot of things, but it's 0.04. Supply is 5,900. I mean, I would invest in this, but it really depends. I need to know what features it provides. I need to know more about it before I can, invest in it. Magically.gg. Alright. I'm not giving you my wallet access. New announcements coming. Airdrop. Interesting. I need to see price history of this NFT as well. I have no name. I have no idea, honestly. I have no idea. I don't look at new projects. I'm just a trader. I'm not a guy who looks into the dot, the projects like dot is slow one. It just gives you a move and then it just faked out. I don't like this kind of thing. Vera looks fine, and OP Rose, they look fine. Hook done, yeah. I mean, I don't know. Hook looks shit right now. I don't want to buy and just hold on. I need to see a move, a strong move, and the pullback. There's thousands and thousands of coins. You don't need to stuck to few. Just move around your money. Do the coins that look good, the fresh ones. I have some buyers coming in. Let's see what happens. Okay, so some buying happening. Community is active. People are buying this. 0.39, 0.3 is the average price. 38, 0.45, 0.4. I mean, yeah. Someone accepted the offer of 0.36. is good. I mean, this is the average price. It's last few days as well. I mean, it was higher a few days ago. And you see a graph. I think it's sitting at the bottom. He's rising from the bottom. Yeah, it makes clearly sense because market was doing nothing back here when it was 0.15, and now it's 3x roughly. That's good growth, and a lot of volume came when 13th February, 10 days ago, when it's reached to 0.4 flow. It's still sitting there. It's still ranging for last 10 days. Because when this happens, NFT runs coming slowly, the coins do rise. But I need to see, oh, you can sweep the floor lightning fast. Is it good too? Can you select total remains? You can sweep the floor. Advanced analysis. What advanced analysis show me? What? Is there NFT chart you can see like that? I'm okay with line chart as well. I just understand when I say drawing tool for analysis. Very good. They give you a drawing tool as well. For 0.4 is pretty good price. Blood connect. Very good. I mean, it's better than the one I have. That shit worth nothing because the one I got is bluish. It's right here. It's super basic. Whale sniper. I bought them early stage and it's so bad. Oh my god. Not this. Whale snipe. No, it's not coming up. But yeah, it's not great. But this one looks definitely good. So I need to see reveal and snipe instantly. I need to see this. You know what I want is the one good ones. They're worth few ETH. There's not much competition. There's few of them. They're worth a lot more. So where you can see instantly as soon as they're listed, it comes up quickly, and you can quickly snipe it in the software. Blur listing, blur flow, true flow, portfolio analyzer, interactive chart, sweep, hotkey, outgoing gas setting, OpenSea extension, bidding board. It does bidding? I was looking for a bidding board. Fastest reveal, that's good. Weekly sessions, all time trades test, pseudo swap, pending minutes days, wallet delegation, skip pending sweep, that's a good one. Bidding, I'm looking for bidding too. If it does really bidding, that's something good. And you can claim your airdrops as well. Airdrops coming up. Alpha Shark. February, it's already been happening. This is why it makes sense why it pumped and then dropped. Airdrop. Man, 0.2 under would have been amazing price. I was looking for bidding anyway, so I just need to make sure you can do bidding here. I'm waiting for this, what happens here with BTC. In the meanwhile, I'm just searching, for other stuff. You can learn as well at the same time. Thank you, Global Rashid. Did you get 200k? I can see it. Should I say metal? I don't know, man, honestly, because it could jump. It didn't do the big move yet. But yeah, it really depends on you if you can hold it in your stamina. I need to look at this. This already giving you tools here. So if sold at 5.3, so selling for a very high amount, is giving you pullback now. This is in pullback phase right now. Education sessions are live, public, and Alpha Shark have a page. Very nice.
A really good candidate for that. So it was only 2,000 supply. It is a derivative of CD buds. I'll let you. So yeah, CD buds and cryptos. So two established collections. Obviously, one of them is the Gen, the other is yeah. That's the point where I would buy, and I want like super thin floors because you can just listen. People are giving this collection more and more respect, and the more respect, just shoot them for the flip. And what made it even worse is that this collection is basically all females, right? So when you're looking at something, and especially in NFTs, you need like a strong statement is always.
You see, you have a lot of stuff, information in this. Rarity ranking 100%, MetaMask, Feast 100%, sales 1 day, sales 1 hour.
So cryptoverbs, I knew who was going to buy this after me. I knew what types of collectors would get. Like, they focused on the art, so it is subjective, but like a lot of people think that it entered on it. And understand that's why, especially for these markets,
They haven't done education session, I think, for public.
Stay away from any long-term hold unless it's like some ultra again. And red lives when you start seeing red. That's when
BTC pulling back. We have S&P just standing there, doing nothing. We have OP on the high low retest. Yeah. We could easily see, guys, a low taken here. I mean, if it doesn't go from here, it could just scroll down, come down here, and then from here go up. And that's one thing, I don't know if it goes below 22,800, holds it, I'll probably get out of my initial position in ours. I'll wait and see what happens. But I needed to see about bids, man. This guy didn't even mention about bids. The only problem is I don't want to buy without confirming about bids is you have to pay creator fees. I don't know how much is creator fees for this. 7.5. It makes no sense. I mean, you sold NFTs a lot. Why are you charging it? I need to confirm in their Discord about it. They have 23,000 people in Discord. That's a huge amount. Bunch online as well. What's that? One L, one Y, none V. Y, none V. Please work. Shit. I need a different captcha. NV2144. What? One GJ692. One GJ692. Alright, that's fine. It worked. I need to ask the questions. I hope they have chat room. Alright, chat here. The problem is we have S&P sitting below 4,000 and it could get rejected easily. I mean, on the other side, BTC looks fine. OP is holding well, getting more buying happening. But yeah, also starting to bounce slightly. I've been just told about the Atom thing is I'm just confused about it myself. Where's Atom? I have a lot of things open. It's making my PC slow. Hello guys. Hola Sictoro. STG gave good decent bounce. Atom, Cosmos. My PC is lagging because I've opened so many things. It's getting slow, super slow. I close this. Coming soon, 8 February. Oh, that's why it's bouncing. It's coming up with breeding mechanism backed by new innovation products and utility. Alright, makes sense. Why this shit is rising from a 13th was the low and then it kept on going up. This is good. Good morning, Ryan. Magically I mean, this kind of tool in a NFT bull run will be easily to Ethereum. I'm telling you that I've seen these tools getting crazy. But there's a lot of tool now, but good tools do get. I mean, this started from 0.4 and it did go down, but again, it's held so well. The community is holding well. And this is the initial sign, and then a pullback of 0.25 was good sign because there's an initial bounce in January, then you have a spike coming up again. Okay, we have BTCs trying to hold. I want to give time to BTC decide what it wants to do. I'm going to set my alerts here and see what happens. BTC breaks low, fine. If it breaks up, that's fine still. It could easily do that. It could easily come here, retest this, and then pull back down, and then from here we see move up. And there's different possibilities that we can see. Market does take its time to move. Alright guys, give me a second. Alright guys, thanks for having me. I'm gonna go now. I'm so tired right now. I'm gonna see what happens here. Gonna give time to the market because there's a lot of I'm pretty sure there's a lot of bulls still confident on this. And this fake out, I was just looking for a small fake out and then recovery. It took a lot longer than I expected, but there's a good volume that came in, which is good thing. It's a good thing, but again, you need to understand this all was, in my opinion, a short squeeze, nothing more than that. But let's see, everyone that is long here, a lot of them close their position, a lot of them stop hunted, but I still think there's a lot more to go, a lot more traps. So we could see a trap for the longs again further down, or we could see a further move down. I don't know for sure what's going to happen, but again, if the market was strong enough, it shouldn't have spent so much time here and pull back. We already had this here. All this looks like bulls are struggling. That's all I can say. All this mess is not great. Okay, we can have more punish for longs. Those who chase this moves up, they can be punished, and the market could just destroy them and come down further into this area. We'll see what happens. I'll keep sharing with you guys. Have a good day, guys.